What? What's going on in there? Thank God for the baby monitor. Charles Barkley. Woo! Most of the time that type of noise subsides. I don't have to go check on them, but sometimes it sounds like bloody murder coming out of that thing. Oh, somebody's getting a little bad. Oh. Such a good. What? We've got a big mouth, Thunder. Oh, I left the fridge door open. What? I love you. What are you even saying? I'm not paying attention to you? Who's this? Mama Alita? Here a dog, there a dog, everywhere a dog, dog. Old MacDonald had some dogs. Or, old Mama Wolf had some puppies. Welcome to Crazy Town, where we get down with the puppies and the big dogs too. Look at it, like, I'm laying on my back now. Look at how freaking cute they are. Oh my God, wiggle worms. Oh my God, they're like, give me the nipple. Alright, I'm going to check on him in a little bit, so we'll have more videos coming. Because look at that little butt. It's like so cute. Oh. This is how I talk to her. I go, let's see. Mama Alita. I keep calling her Mama Alita. Mama Zoe, I'm coming out with some more treats. On your back. Comfy style. Too funny. Wolf pack out.